So over here in Clovis, California, we just finished flushing out this Norris water heater. We can't tell you what model it is because the label is on the side of the unit and it's in a recessed wall box. We did replace the supply lines. The old hot and cold lines were the copper, in pretty bad shape. So now what you've got is brand new Falcon stainless steel connectors, hot and cold, both sides of the cold sides here going up, and of course hot sides over here. So those are brand new, and we didn't get a lot of debris out of the unit. Flushed real clean, ran real strong. We fired it up a couple times and no noise. We did hear the neighbors come on right next door, and it made a horrific noise, and so I don't know what's going on with that. They're about the same age. I think they're about 12 years old. So we're going to send you a quote for a new water heater installation. Honestly, with this one, what I'd do is just let this guy run, let it run until it doesn't run anymore. Don't besides flushing it, I wouldn't work on it too much because you'll just end up spending a lot of the money on maintenance, and then that detracts from the cost that you'll in for a replacement. So anyways, we'll get you a receipt out for the work done today. Outside of that, this installation is done.